So in the last video I showed you the lovely surprise of a fungal infection that I came home to from vacation, and kind of gave you the rundown on how I was able to diagnose that and what product I used to treat it. That was 10 days ago. I want to give you an update to show you where we're at now and the progress the lawn is making on the road to recovery. Here we go. So just as a quick reminder, this is where the front yard was about 10 days ago, give or take, and the backyard, and you can see that the majority of the damage was done in the backyard. So went ahead and put down a fungicide and just really stuck to basic cultural practices. I stuck to watering twice a week, even though we're still 90+ degrees outside. And then as far as mowing, I'm mowing as often as I can, 2, sometimes 3 times a week, and it's really helping. Take a look at where we're at now. So one thing I want to point out that I haven't done is any kind of dethatching or raking or any kind of overseeding. Number one, it's just too hot and I didn't want to put any additional stress on the lawn. I wanted just to kind of let it ride with the Fungicide app and just normal watering and mowing and just see how it went. And it's doing so well. I'm so happy with the progress here. You can really see the green coming through and the lawn recovering very nicely. It doesn't look as heart-wrenching as it did when I got home from vacation, that's for sure. So lots of green coming through. It's really starting to fill in. I'm considering lightly raking it, but I'm just gonna hold off. And the reason being is because I put down a fertilizer a couple days ago. I put down ProPeat's 1704, and I put it down at about 3/4 pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. So it's a pretty decent push for the summer months, but not too much that I'm adding any extra stress. So I'm gonna let that ride and see how the lawn continues to recover once that kicks in over the next 1 to 2 weeks. So again, doing much better on the road to recovery. I'm very happy with how things are going right now. I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing. And if you haven't seen the initial video, the last video, going over what exactly I did, be sure to check it out. But just a quick recap. HeritageG granular fungicide, put that down at 4 pounds per 1,000, and then just stuck with twice a week watering, 2 to 3 times a week mowing, just to encourage growth and for it to fill in on its own. And then just a couple days ago, probably a week or so after the Fungicide app, put down a fertilizer application. So just gonna keep going, and I would say probably in the next couple weeks to a month or so, especially as temperatures start coming down once we get into fall, which is still a couple months away. Long before then, this should be recovered fully and you would never even know that we had a problem. So super happy to continue to show you some progress updates. And I think it's only fair to show you that it's not always perfect here. I have my own struggles and go through my own challenges with my lawn too. And this is a completely new territory for me because it's so dry here in Utah that we don't really get fungus. It's not really a thing here. So I've never had to deal with it in the 10 years that I've owned my home and had a lawn here. So this has been a good experience for me, a nice learning experience, and I think we're doing okay. So that's gonna go ahead and do it for this one. A quick update for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.